Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and I'm super ecstatic to go over some Skechers Hotshot Scorren variations in 3 different colorways. All have been influenced by soccer. We've got one in a great navy blue, a green, as well as a red. Let's take a quick sneak peek.
Scream while the baseline bites. We torch the norm in the dead of night. Leather studs and a wired up soul. Plug into the chaos, lose control. No sleep crew in the subway static. Roaring loud, yeah, fully automatic. Trash the script, we rewrite the show. From punk rock blood to punk electro.
Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome on in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Super ecstatic that it is going to be a big summer for soccer tournaments. I know most of you are probably as hyped up as I am, but I can't even decide which soccer kits I want to rep. Obviously, as you can see, I'm wearing a Skechers soccer themed kit repping the USA, but they are going to be releasing 6 different colorways starting June 1st. So you're definitely going to want to get your hands on it. I'm going to go through and show you different options. We're going to start off by going through the 3 different Hotshot Scorrens, which again are all soccer themed. We'll go through the 3 different colorways. Would love to hear your thoughts on which one is your favorite. Then we are going to go through and talk about all of the different Skechers soccer kits that I picked up. I'm currently wearing the USA soccer themed kit, but we've also got some 5 other countries and really cool colorway options. Then we'll conclude and discuss what pricing will be for those soccer kits, as well as a soccer cleat and all of the hot shots. If you're currently in the USA like myself, you're probably going to be wanting to rep some nice soccer themed clothing pieces, specifically sneakers. I am super excited to talk about the Skechers Hotshot Scorren in the USA colorway. So we've got some nice suede textures on the front and leathers in that beautiful navy tone. We've got some nice finishing touches of white and red, so red, white, blue all the way here. A little bit of branding on the side, established in 1992 on the back of the heel there. I love how squishy these are, by the way. These are so freaking comfortable. One of my favorite parts about this sneaker, though, has to be the bottom of the outsole. It's that red, white, and blue themed on the bottom. And then we've got the same kind of red, white, and blue color scheme going on the interior for the insole. They also are going to be dropping a USA Skechers soccer ball, so definitely going to have to add this together with the soccer kit, with the sneakers, just to make it a complete full look. All right, so if you want to rep some other countries though, have no fear. Skechers has definitely had some influence with other countries on 2 other colorways. So we've got Canada over here with a nice pop of this beautiful red tone. So we've got the suedes here, some light branding, subtle branding here as well with Skechers on the toe box. Again, that established in 1992. And then we've got kind of a gum bottom color scheme with black and red. For the insole, we've got all black and white, and this has that air-cooled memory foam, which I love so much. They're super freaking comfortable. So any Canadians out there, Skechers has you locked in for a great soccer-themed Canadian colored sneaker. Last but not least, they are releasing another colorway repping Mexico. So we've got nice pops of green, some hits of this beautiful red color scheme. We've got the Skechers on the tongue here. And then as far as the back, we've got that same established in 1992. Again, the really cool colorway comes in on the outsole here, where we've got the green, the white, and the red colorway. The interior is also in those 3 different colors, again with that air-cooled memory foam. So if you want to rep Mexico, Skechers has you covered. As far as sizing goes, these will be released in men's sizing only. The smallest size will be a men's size 7. So sorry ladies with smaller feet. This one only starts at a men's 7, which is a 8.5 women's, and it goes all the way up to men's 14. If you haven't already seen my Hotshot Skechers video already, be sure to check that out. I do have some detailed sizing measurements on there, but these fit exactly the same as just your regular Hotshot, the Hotshot Scorrens. All right, now let's jump into styling. So again, as you can see here, I am rocking USA colorways. We've got the red, white, and blue, which of course I'm going to be rocking this all summer long for all the soccer tournaments. But if you don't want to rep the USA, that's okay, because Skechers has you covered with Argentina, which is a beautiful baby blue shade. So if you want to rep Argentina, they've got you covered there.
Nuestro amor es fuego y corren las balas de tu palabra fría. Tengo miedo, ay, cómo tengo miedo, que ya perdiste la gana. Enfrenta los males, tiempo. Quería poder explicarte.
They also, of course, have Mexico. So if you want to match head to toe with this sneaker, they've got it in that nice pop of green. They also have France, which is in a nice blue shade as well. And then for those of you huge Brazil fans, they've got you covered with Brazil as well in that bright pop of yellow and green.
Não desiste, segue em frente, sua hora já chegou. Essa é a minha jornada, eu sei quem eu sou. Essa vida é presente, valoriza o seu tempo. Quando chega no final, lembra onde começou. Não posso parar na linha final. Eu vou chegar, não posso parar. O meu troféu, eu vou ganhar. Gratidão no coração, minha mente.
And last but not least, they have a Spain soccer influenced kit soccer jersey in that nice, beautiful red and navy tone. Let me know in the comments below, which team are you going to be rocking this summertime when soccer starts up? I already know which one I'm rocking, which is going to be all about USA here in red, white, and blue, but let me know which of these soccer kits you like the most. All right, one more thing before we jump to the next segment. We've got some amazing Skechers soccer boots. These are the Skechers SKX Elite. These are partnered with Harry Kane, and honestly, when I first opened these, I was obsessed. So this is going to be releasing on May 26th. So we've got a really cool duster bag here. Look at these beautiful neon colors. I'm obsessed with neon colors. You already know me. I love a nice pop of bright colorway, but if you are looking for a nice soccer boot. This is definitely something you've got to pick up. Harry Kane did such a great job with the color scheme in collaboration with Skechers. Look at this ombre color effect. We've got this bright pop of orange transitioning to pink, into purple, into blue. I absolutely love these, especially the translucent bottom here. It's holographic. Look how cool that looks. And they're super freaking lightweight. Here, I want to show you the bottoms of these and how cool these look. How sick are those? These are also part of the Sunset pack, and I will say that these run true to size. Also have to note, look at the laces. They've got sparkles on them. I just noticed that. How cool are those spaghetti laces with the little bedazzled laces? Okay, kind of obsessed. I need to start playing soccer again. And just so you know, these are part of the Sunset Elite pack. For all the on-pitch Skechers jerseys, you won't believe this, but they have on-the-go dry mesh, so you're gonna be taken care of during the heat of the summer, which I'm always worried about because it gets so freaking hot here in New York. But again, be sure to tune back in. If you want those boots, you're gonna have to get them on May 26th, and again, all of the soccer kits are going to be releasing officially on June 1st. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you tuned in for the first time, thanks again for joining. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this unboxing and styling segment. Again, let me know which team you are going to be cheering for this summer and which of these amazing soccer kits did you like the most. My name is Marissa Hill. This is Shade TV. We'll catch you all on the next episode.